Good morning. My name is Shamir. I'm from India, working in Qatar. I'm here in Adem Havva hair transplant clinic. It was around 3,100 draft record for first session, and the second day, the technician, Dr. Antan and Irfana, they did a very good job, and they carefully took each graft and put it separately. It took around 7 hours to complete the process. They started from morning 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock. It was very good and they did very nice job. The second day again I came back to a clinic. Then they removed and they changed the bandage and they did some controls and everything. And third day, today they just removed everything and washed my hair first time, and it was very nice. It's look very good. I feel comfort, and overall, I really appreciated my translator PT. He did a very good job. Actually, he explained everything in each and every process. It's very nicely. I really like his method. His way to explain everything. I really like him. Also, the driver, he just came to hotel and picked me and drop off, and he did also very good job. Everybody in Adem and Havva clinic, they did a really very good job. I really like Adem and Havva. I would like to recommend all of you Adem and Havva hair transplant clinic for your hair transplants. I got a very good experience. I'm recommending all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you Adem Havva team. You did a great job. I'm expecting very good result within 6 months. Once I get the result, I will post my videos and photos soon. Thank you so much. You did a great job. Thank you team Adem and Havva. I really appreciate your work. Thanks a lot.